Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. In today's episode we are going to upgrade the coil pack in the R53 to get it running smoothly as we're having misfiring issues. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's have a look at what we've got in here. So, ordered the MSD Coil pack upgrade for the F56, very well packaged. Let's just look this straight off. Sorry about the train, very noisy. So looking here, so we've got you can see MSD pack with the uprated plugs from Magnecor, so they're really good, really good. Picked this up second hand off eBay, so absolutely perfect, banging. Let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is remove the intercooler cover plate, so we'll do that now with a Torx bit. It's a Torx 30 bit, and do these. So they're undone now, so just pop that off. It just gives you a bit more access to the plugs. Next job is to pop these out. So just pop out like that, dead simple. 2, 3, and 4. And then what we need to do is remove them from here. Now, little tip, you don't need to remember where these go, because on the original coil pack it's numbered, and on the MSD with the Magnecor plugs you actually get the plugs numbered as well. So I'll show you that now. So you can see on there 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when you go to your new leads they're actually all marked up 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can put your new coil pack next to your one and measure it up. So let's get removing these from the coil pack. To remove these, you just give them a firm pull, like so. That's they're out, and you just work in order because one covers another, like so, and that's them removed. So you can get rid of them. Next we need to remove the harness from the old coil pack. So you've got 2 red clips, you need to push the one on the right through to the one on the red, get it as far through as you can, give that a pull so that it clips right out like that, as you can see, and then what you need to do is with a firm pull the clip back and it will come out. I'll just put the camera down to show you that now. So just now let's pop that to one side so you know where it is. Now all we need is a 10mm spanner, 10mm ratchet, sorry, to take these 4 bolts out. So let's do that now. So you've got your 10mm spanner, and then you just need to undo these. Nice and easy. Now when you're removing these bolts and you put them out, you've got a washer and a rubber washer underneath, so you can't over tighten them. So when you're pulling these out, make sure you take them with you if you're reusing them like I am. If you get a brand new pack, it comes with new bolts. I have ordered them but they haven't turned up yet, along with the new spark plugs. Neither of them have turned up, so I'll have to reuse them for today, but make sure you keep hold of them. So now we can remove the coil pack. We need to do that gently because the rubber washers are underneath as well, so we just lift that off. They are quite heavy for what they are. And then underneath are these rubber washers. Again, you need to keep hold of them. So all 4 of them, like so. And now we can install the new one. Got the new coil pack just there. So now we need to put the I'll put that back up there, sorry. Now we need to put the little rings back over the holes for the coil pack to sit on. coil pack with the plug for the harness at the back. Put that on top of there. It's just about squaring it up. Like so. Nice. And using your bolts. Using your bolts, you want it. So note to self, you can't reuse them, don't fit. What we did. But I now know why these bolts have got this metal cowling on, and what it actually stops you doing is over tightening the coil pack. Now I have ordered the new MSD bolts to go with this, but they haven't arrived yet, so I've got some temporary ones that will do the job and just hold it in place so that we can test drive it. So let's carry on with the install, but just note to self, if you're using a second-hand one, you can't reuse the bolts. Same procedure as before. Get all these nice. I need to order new rubbers as well, because this one here, this rubber O-ring is broken and that one's split, so I'm going to order new ones of them, as I said, with the clip for the harness pointing out. Balance that on there. Now it does move and this is quite fiddly, so now it's all lined up, take the rubbers off your old ones if that's what you're going to use, just for now. Feel around so that you know that it's found. Oh, nice sound on that one, lastly. Perfect. And then I'm just going to tighten these up just ever so much. Obviously these aren't going to stay on there. These aren't going to stay on here, but just for the purposes of starting up and checking that this coil pack works okay. Literally doing them to not very tight at all. You can see that actually perfect size bolt. Cool. That's not going anywhere now. So now that's on, all we got to do is get our lead, tuck it away nicely, and that just needs to clip back on like so, and then push that red thing right across. A red tab right across, and that ain't going anywhere. So next on to putting the HT leads in. So as I showed you before, on here it's labelled up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now obviously with the new leads they're also marked up, so you've got your numbers on your leads. So all you need to do is reference that, so we know that that's 1, that's 2, that's 4 and that's 3. Now to get this neat and tidy like you want, it's 2, 1, 4, 3, I believe is the order and pattern you want to put these in. The best order is 2, 1, 4, 3. So pop number 2 in, press down, and when you're pushing these on you should feel a click like that. Then we take number 1 now. Hearing that click. Like so. Perfect. Then we need number 4. And number 4 is it on this side. That's it. And 3. So now just neaten them all up, check they're all pushed in, and tidy the cables up to the best of your ability so that they're all neat and tidy. Perfect. Now what you need to do is push down on each of these HT lead plugs and make sure they're compressed, and you'll feel that if they don't push down, then they're on. Now all we need to do is put this back on and check that it works. And there we go guys, coil back on with new HT leads all installed, so let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Absolutely spot on. Now if you put the HT leads in the wrong way, you will know straight away because it'll be misfiring like crazy, but if you follow those instructions, you really can't go wrong. Well, another successfully busy day complete. R53 coil pack fitted, uprated HT leads fitted from Magnecor, and new plugs and bolts on the way. We've got to sort, in the next episode, we've got to sort the rattle out underneath and find out what's causing that problem, and then we've got loads of parts arriving for the R53 next week. If you've enjoyed this episode, do me the biggest favour and smash the thumbs up, as well as if you really have enjoyed it, please consider subscribing below for loads more mini and car related action, and as always, comments welcome. I hope you've really enjoyed this episode, and until next time, peace.